it's Natalie here. During lockdown I have been doing quite a lot of baking and I wanted to show you how to make 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. So we've got our 3 ingredients. Let's make some cookies. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line your baking tray with some grease-proof paper. Now you need to add your peanut butter, sugar and egg to the bowl. Now you need to whisk your 3 ingredients together. You could use an electric whisk, but I'm going old school and using a wooden spoon. Once your mixture is nice and smooth, make sure your hands are clean and then roll your cookie dough into small balls to place on your baking tray. Okay, now you've got all your balls of dough on your tray. You need to squash them down using a fork that's been dipped in sugar. And now you're ready to bake. Pop these in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. And there you go. The 3-ingredient cookies are done. Just leave them to cool for about 10 minutes. So now all is left to do is eat them. They are fun to make and super simple, so why not try them at home and send us your pictures at Emmerdale. We'd love to see them. Now excuse me, I've got some business to attend to.